This is the Woodford 35-721 stem. This does fit the models 14, 17, 22, and 22V. Just depends on the length you're needing. So the stem will come as shown here. You can see the splines here on the end, and this rubber assembly there, and the end of the stem there. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the stem, measure it from end to end. So measuring end to end, measures right at 8 inches. And then we can get an outer diameter here of the end of the stem. You can kind of see those internal female threads there on the end as well. We'll get an outer diameter right at about 3/4 of an inch. And once again, this is the Woodford 35-721 8-inch stem.